October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and why not show your support for breast cancer awareness by incorporating pink into your landscape? If you like light pinks, more delicate, go with that. If you like the hot pink that makes just a statement, go with that. There are so many plants to choose from. If you don't want to make a commitment to year-round pink, you can use annuals that can be changed out. This time of year, Jolt Dianthus and Amazon Dianthus are both cool season Louisiana super plants that are great for the lawn, that have, for your landscape, that have pink flower choices. Also, if you want to make a large impact, use Supertunia Vista Bubblegum. This one is a workhorse of a petunia, just pink everywhere. You can also try other Louisiana super plants that are more permanent in the landscape, such as Pennymac Hydrangea, Belinda's Dream Roses, Aphrodite Althea, Conversation Peace Azalea, or you can try something like this evergreen oleander with these beautiful pink blossoms. You can also try and find the Invincibelle Spirit 2 Hydrangea. For every sale of the plant, $1 is donated to breast cancer research. You can find those online, and sometimes you can find them nurseries here in Louisiana, but they will grow in our USDA hardiness zone. So show your support for breast cancer awareness this season by incorporating some pink into your landscape. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.